What's up, y'all? I'm doing a pocket dump for today. EDC, Hellcat Pro, my wallet, keys, what else? Letter A, chapstick, Lipmatics, knife, tack knife, Rabbit, OTF. Always keep another knife on me too. Definition Knives, Bird Shot. If y'all ain't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. Sweet knife. Backup mag. And what else? Oh yeah, and a multi-tool. Yep. Pocket dump for the day. A little cheap multi-tool, but gets the job done. Tack knives, OTF. If you like OTF knives, check out tack knives. Yeah, that's my pocket dump.